Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Palantir on May 11th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $116.8 mark. And at this very point, I had basically three options of its potential movements. And all of them were quite bullish, but one of them was a short-term bearish. And one of these options is following. We've completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are about to see the top of the fifth wave in order to complete only the first wave on a slightly bigger scale. And guys, take a look right here. We were at 116 somewhere here dollars mark, and since I made my previous video, this asset went higher and it even tried to break. As you can see, its previous swing high at $124.97. This breakout was successful, and for now, it was retesting, and it is retesting this level of support that was previously level of resistance from the top. And it is quite crucial point for Palantir. I will show you in a minute why I think so. But for now, guys, you can see that it is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have three tiers. It is Discord access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these two tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG. Here is JDR, KLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and where we are on a bigger picture, I have to admit that if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I covered this stock for quite a while, even from the point when it was in consistent downtrend back in 2022. At this point, and I told you that you have to accumulate your position. And by the way, my personal long-term position has an average price below $15 mark. And guys, I still hold my long position because I know that in the long-term perspective, this asset with its next fifth wave will hit the levels in between $152 all the way up to $243. And I will show you more details within just several minutes. And for now, let's take a look at its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to an updated analyst price target. For now, it's set the consensus analyst price target. It's set at around $100 mark. It is still below our current price, but we have we have the most recent update that was made by Bank of America. They reiterated their rating from $125 to $150, which implies about 17% of upside potential. And to be honest, I still hold my position as I already mentioned, and I think Palantir will hit much higher targets, despite that some fundamental metrics show us that it might be overvalued. But guys, if you take a look at the news and one of these news, and if you know how to search this news, you can definitely find plenty of them, and all the news that you can find is just a part of the let's say of the contracts of Palantir, and Alex Karp himself admitted it. So let me show you this tweet that was published on May 14th by Shield AI. Shield AI plus Palantir, mission, autonomy and C2 working as one. At SOF Week, Shield and I and Palantir Technologies showcased how integrated mission autonomy and battle management software can close the loop of maritime ISR in Indo-PACOM, enabling faster, smarter decisions at the edge. In our latest blog, Suvav Agarwal, Senior Director of Customer Engagement, breaks down how HiveMind-powered platforms and Palantir's tools are shaping a future where intelligent systems and human operators operate in full coordination. Autonomy for the world. The greatest victory requires no war. And here you can find the video, about 2 minutes long video, where this partnership explained in details. And guys, I have to admit that all the contracts of Palantir are extremely sticky for their counterparties, because if you added this system into your workflow, it will be extremely difficult to remove it from the workflow as well. That is why, guys, all the contracts, the majority of these contracts is renewable contracts, and once they get this contract as a signed contract, pretty much all of them are the lifetime contracts. So, and let's take a look at other news. If you type in Google search bar Palantir stock and switch to news tab folder, you can find a lot of recent news that are quite bullish on Palantir. And one of these news grabs my attention. Think Palantir stock is too expensive? Here are 1.6 million reasons to reconsider. Let me quote you just key points. Palantir has been on fire over the past couple of years, with its rally sparked by strong demand for its artificial intelligence tools. The run-up in the stock price has been accomplished by an equally eye-popping increase in its valuation. The obvious sticker shock aside, there are those who believe Palantir represents a compelling opportunity. And guys, I have to admit that I have no doubts that Palantir will break the entire system of artificial intelligence, especially from the so-called military usage of these systems. And definitely because of this, you can see that, again, let me show you the list of institutional investors who hold Palantir in their portfolios. Palantir has a consistent growth in this parameter. This means more and more institutional investors still want to hold this stock in their investment portfolios. On top of that, guys, if you take a look at the most recent actions from the so-called smart money investors list, you can see that a lot of companies, major shareholders, I would say, improved their long position, like this one. California State Teachers Retirement System added 2.19%, and they hold more than $273 million in Palantir. Another company opened new position for $21.48 million. Here you can see Barclays added 22.17% to their position, and their position becomes $708 million. And guys, it is a typo right here. It is not the $708,000, but it is $708 million, because if you click right here and you can see the number of shares, if you click right here, you can find that the exact value is right here, $708,331,980 as of March 31st. And guys, that is why Palantir, in my opinion, is extremely bullish. It's still very bullish, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So Let's zoom into hourly time frame, and for now, guys, we are forming, or Palantir is forming. Let me show you right here. Potential fifth wave on its first wave on a bigger scale. It is one of two potential options for Palantir, because on the one hand we might have this is our first, second, third, fourth, and we have to see another leg to the upside to complete the first wave on a bigger scale. The second option is a little bit different. We might have, this is our first wave that is already formed, and this is nothing else but an ABC correction to complete its second wave. It is an A, B and C wave in this type of wave, where B wave is higher than the top of initial wave, should not be below the A wave. That is why, guys, both of these cases are very bullish, and we have to either form one of the waves into our, let's say, fifth wave, or we might have this retracement, and from the level above $105, we should see the trend reversal in the bottom of the C wave. And as I already mentioned, the main price target are still the same as long as this pivot of $65 holds, and they are at the levels in between $153 all the way up to $243. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag,